Hello everyone, I'm back. Today I'm making my favorite ginger snap cookies. It's also my neighbor's favorite, so I'm making it for him. Okay, so this is the ingredients. Okay, this is 3/4 cup of butter. I've used salted butter, but if you use unsalted, then add to the recipe a teaspoon of salt or half a teaspoon of salt, depending on your taste. And it's room temperature and soft to the touch. Then we have 1 cup of caster sugar. There we go. 1 egg, 1 large egg. 1/4 cup of molasses, and this is, I got it at the shops, supermarkets. You can get it anywhere, not difficult to find. Then I have 2 cups of cake flour. There we go. 2 teaspoons of baking soda, that's bicarbonate of soda, same thing. 4 teaspoons of ginger. You can use 3 teaspoons or even more, depending on your taste. Teaspoon of cinnamon, pinch of clove, that's optional. And then I just have some sugar with cinnamon that I'm going to roll the dough in. Okay, and now we're going to start. Okay, my oven is preheating on 190 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'm first going to loosen up the butter. And I'm going to add my sugar, cup of sugar. Guys, I don't know about you, it's summer. The mozzies, the mosquitoes has bitten me, and I'm covered in calamine lotion. So now I'm just going to mix this on the number 2 setting of my mixer for a few minutes, about 3 minutes, and we'll be right back. I'm just going to scrape the sides. Oh, you know, look. It's nice and creamy. Okay. Now I'm going to add my molasses. I did brush my molasses, the 1/4 cup, with some oil. You can also brush it with water. There we go. Holy potjie anders uit te haal. There we go. Every bitchy. See? Okay. And I'm going to mix this through until combined. Now I'm going to add my egg and mix that again until well combined. Okay, and that's basically the wettish ingredients. It's a very, very easy recipe, guys. Easy peasy. Okay, now we're gonna add all the dry ingredients, the ginger, cinnamon, clove. Like I said, it is optional, this one, because not everyone loves cloves, and your 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, kom sit ek nou daar. Now mix this through until it's combined. And then I'll mix my dry to the wet with a spatula. And then this dough don't have to be put in the fridge. We can work immediately with it. It will be soft, quite soft, but that's what we want. Okay. So now here is the spatula. So I'm going to add half of it. And then just mix through until combined. Go. See, it's still soft. And now we add the rest of the dry ingredients. I'm just going to mix it until well combined, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my cinnamon sugar. I use normal sugar, and sorry, that is caster sugar I use. 1 cup of caster sugar, but this is normal sugar with some. You can use caster sugar if you want. Okay, let's begin. Take a little bowl, roll it. See? You can make smaller ones, bigger ones, it's entirely up to you. Then just put the sugar top, and then you put nice space. It should be about, you must have a nice space in between it. Okay, this weer kafties. Ek kan nie help nie. I'm going to try to make smaller ones. Okay. It's nice to work with. It does stick, but not to the point where it's like, you know, nerve-wracking sticking. No, it's not nerve-wracking. It's a very, very nice soft dough. You can work with it. Okay. Okay, and we'll be right back. I'll just finish this off. Okay guys, this is going into the oven. You don't have to make it so far apart, but I've made such big ones, so I need a lot of space. So it's going into the oven, 190 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 18 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, here it is, guys. It went for about 16 minutes. Look at that nice crack. And there we go. Nice ginger snap cookies. Here we go, guys. The ginger snap cookies. It's nice, crisp and hard now. If you like it